Hello, today we take a look on how to share an app with other Promptmate users. So if you're on an app, you have the possibility to share an app with Promptmate users or make it public. So if you want to add some colleagues to work on the same app or use the app who have already a Promptmate account, you can go into share with Promptmate users and then add an email by just adding my here, hitting enter, yeah, then you can choose the access level. An editor can change the app and change the configuration of an app and something else. So he can use the edit mode. And a user can only use the app, so only the open app mode, etc. So after you have added the email address here, click on add user, and so you can add a user to your app.